Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Confirm your iPhone is unlocked and updated so the remove options behave predictably. Once done, quickly decide whether you want to hide the music icon or delete the app. Deletion removes content and player. Make sure you know your Apple ID password if prompted. Tap and hold the music icon until the contextual menu appears. This first touch opens quick actions and reveals the remove controls you'll use next. If nothing happens, try a firmer long press to enter jiggle mode. You now choose an act. Tap Remove App from the menu to see hide versus delete choices. If you want to keep music but declutter, pick Move to App Library. The app stays installed but leaves the home screen. If you want it gone, choose Delete App and confirm. This removes the app and local data. Make sure to enter your Apple ID when prompted, because Apple sometimes asks to confirm purchases or subscriptions before deletion. Once confirmed, the icon will vanish or move accordingly. Finish by verifying the change. Swipe to the app library and scan settings general iPhone storage to confirm music is removed or relocated. If the icon stubbornly stays, restart the iPhone to clear a visual glitch. That often resolves lingering icons. If deletion failed due to restrictions, check screen time content and privacy settings and toggle off restrictions. Finally, if you want the app back later, open the App Store, search music, and reinstall. This restores the app and any synced playlists once you sign back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.